here, coming to you with another video. My gosh. So, if you've been watching my videos lately, you've seen that I don't exactly have the best sound quality. For the last day and a half or so, I have actually been spending a lot of time trying to make sure that my sound is corrected. At first, I thought it was my low-end PC, but then it turned out to be OBS itself. But OBS was really good at making me think that it was my PC, and the entire experience is just unfun, like completely unfun. So if I were to properly describe it, and I'm just posting this video to kind of rant and react about it a bit, OBS tutorials, don't trust them. A lot of those people know what they're doing, especially the one guy I found, but this problem turned out to be something even different from what he himself had mentioned, and it just made the entire thing frustrating. Like, I don't even know. Like, take the most frustrating thing you can compare it to in your life. Like, I don't know, stepping on a Lego, and now put that Lego on ice. Which is to say, even if you fix the Lego, you are not going to, like, keep yourself from falling. So, it was just a massive headache. Like, I don't know how to even describe it, but I can't record a video in this mental state right now unless it's a reaction to, like, just how hard it was to deal with this. Like, even now, I've been testing like OBS, making dozens of videos continuously, and I mean like over 48 videos just testing different audio settings to see what works. I finally found one that is relatable, but what I found and what was causing the problem is actually it's not the mic option like people are saying it is. At least not for my PC, it was actually the desktop audio. The desktop audio one was glitched or corrupted, but even when I started a new scene, it was not fixed. My gosh, I could not fix my mic audio is perfect. It's been recording perfectly in OBS, but for all this time I've been spending, like, I thought it was my mic audio, and it's the desktop audio. What you're hearing right now is desktop audio level 2, like the second one that's available automatically. And my gosh, all my problems almost just disappeared immediately once I just disabled desktop audio 1. Like, I almost had to hold myself back from laughing. But if I'm being honest, I'm still very upset. I don't even care right now. Like, I don't know why. I went everywhere online and there was no tutorial video or anything about how to identify the problem. Everyone just started a tutorial on how they thought they knew the problem. And like, I guess different PCs have different setups or something, and that kind of, it pisses me off right now that I just spent like a whole day and a half. I was planning on uploading 2 videos yesterday. Like, I had a quota I had set for myself, and like, now I can't reach that for this week unless I strain or something, and I'm not putting up with that. Like, man, I wish that this were on OBS. I went to the OBS website even, and they did not even address the proper issue. Everyone thinks that it's the mic and auxiliary, and like, I've seen this on posts like going as far back as 2015, and everyone gives the same suggestion: do the mic and auxiliary audio, make sure that you check the system settings and whatnot, update it, make sure that it's all at 100, make sure that it's enabled. Oh, and don't forget OBS is at 100% with everything else. So I did that, and it turns out that it already was. So, yeah, no. The tutorials are helpful. They're just helpful for all the wrong reasons. Oh my gosh. So, I don't even know what I'm going to title this video. Like, maybe it's rant about OBS tutorials or something, or this is my next video upload or whatever. I don't even know what I'm going to title this. I'm just upset right now. I don't even know how to... My gosh. Like, did anyone else, like, to my few subscribers, like, I appreciate you guys watching my videos and whatnot. This is my first audio issue, like my first genuine audio issue that showed up on this channel, like outside of getting the mic audio correct. And it's just been super annoying. Like, I actually uninstalled OBS and was thinking of downloading a new video software. I looked up audio add-ons. Like, I wanted to see if I could double the video strength online to get the volume up, and my videos sometimes go up to about 1,000 megabytes, which is to say sometimes I record for up to an hour if I'm not careful. But I like to do that because it keeps me from having to split the video up and put these awkward cuts in, like. And all the add-ons and whatnot online, you want to know what the limit is? Yeah, it was 500 megabytes, about 25 minutes on the dot, 25 minutes. So, yeah, there goes my outro in some of my videos if I trusted those. Like, I actually downloaded one, and you would not believe it, but they waited until after I downloaded it to say that it was a free trial, and they hid that right until then. It was just this massive bait and switch and a waste of my time. Like, I thought, oh yes, this is a godsend, I'm going to use this. Nope, the devil was in the details, and it turns out that I could not keep it up for even like 7 days. Like, I don't know about you guys, but being a starting content creator, I am very poor. I have to laugh off the pain right now. This is very, very unfunny. Like, how do these people think that? Do they think every content creator is going to start off with like over $219.99? Like, it's not happening. Like, I've got a long way on YouTube before my stuff ever starts having a positive like return, and I fully understand and have the patience for that. But not when my videos are sabotaging themselves. Like, I try to do one thing, I try to do the other, and sometimes nothing happens, and then the next thing I know, everything is going on, and then it's all just out of order. Like, I just don't want to put up with it right now. But this was just a little rant on my part. I hope you guys didn't mind, because honestly, I don't know if I'm uploading another video for tonight. It's about 8:40 at night, and so yeah, that's been my experience with OBS, and all 48 videos of it, all of them in the recycling bin, just recording one after another. Like, that's what I get for not completely looking at the tutorial. But if I even went to the website and the moderators could not give me the right idea for the solution, then the tutorial wasn't going to help either. Like, my gosh. I don't know, maybe when I get like 10,000 subscribers, and that's like a big if, because I don't even know if I'll be on the platform for that long. Like, maybe I'll post a video saying why your OBS is suddenly silent. Turns out it's the desktop audio. So yeah, that was fun, in the exact opposite definition of fun. So if this video is recorded properly, you'll probably see it real soon. I'm not even going to make a thumbnail for this. Like, I'm not even in the mood right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did not, and hopefully I'm not going to have to uninstall and reinstall OBS for the second time, or a third time for that matter. Honestly, it depends at this rate. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little rant, but my gosh, have a nice night.